welcome to Unacademy. So today we'll discuss another theorist from paper 1 unit 2, Chris Argyris. He is one of the important behavioral theorists. Chris Argyris, one of the important behavioral theorists. We will discuss about him. So this is the three group of theorists: classical group, human relation group, and behavioral group. Classical, we have discussed F.W. Taylor, father of scientific management theory; Henry Fayol, classical theory; Gulick, Orbick, Max Weber, father of bureaucracy; M.P. Follett, who is ahead of our time; and human relation theorist Hilton Mayo, who focus on human relation in organization; and behavioral theorists Bernard, Argyris, Likert, McGregor, Simon, decision making theory; Maslow and Hosberg, motivational theorist. And today we will discuss Chris Argyris. Chris Argyris, one of the important or prominent behavioral theorists. So this is the list of theorists, all important theorists, and this is Chris Argyris, belongs to behavioral group. So Chris Argyris, if I give you short note in intro body, this is the structural note you can call, and the criticism and contemporary approach, part of conclusion. In body, his idea of maturity immaturity paradigm, two type of organizational theory, theory 1, theory 2, idea of fusion process, combination of socialization and personalization process. So remember, this is the mind map: maturity immaturity paradigm, theory 1, theory 2, and fusion process. And how to achieve fusion process: matrix organization, T group training or sensitivity training, double loop learning, job enlargement, participative leadership. Okay, so these two you can use in your training answer, T group or sensitivity training and double loop learning technique. After that, criticism, the situational theorists criticize Chris Argyris, saying that depend upon the situation, theory 1 or theory 2, anyone can be successful. It depends upon the situation. And his idea of interpersonal competence and fusion process is successful in modern day organization where employees are highly educated and skilled. Okay, so we will start Chris Argyris. Before that, some information to you. Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. These are plus feature. Here you have complete syllabus, unlimited practice set, unlimited PDF, regular doubt clearing session. So here special class, you have interactive session, poll, lecture note. So tomorrow I have two special class, 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. In 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. where we discuss important question for 2020 mains. So don't miss this class. Tomorrow 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. download Unacademy Learner app and watch those class. This is new batch, 3rd January resolution, OSSC batch. This is OCS prelim batch for fresher. This is Sadhana comprehensive course for teaching exam, 7 January. This is full length or SSC exam test. This is ASO secretariat. This is batch 8 ASO secretariat fast track batch. This is the price plan: 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, 12 month, and 24 month. I take public administration optional for OPSC CSC mains. Use this code DSWINE you will get a 10% discount. I have appeared in UPSC CSC mains, OCS interviews, more than 6 year experience. This is the book I have written for Odisha Civil Service main examination. Complete syllabus, unit wise previous year question, model answer, important report of 2nd ARC. Everything is given. And this would be your approach to study public administration. This is the syllabus. We are dealing with principle and theory of organization, and paper 1 is related or interpreted with paper 2. So you must read both together who are related. And revision course start on 3rd January 8 to 9:30. We will discuss all important unit of paper 1, paper 2. We will discuss important question, previous year question, answer writing, and current information and second ARC. So it will be useful for people who are appearing mains this year. So do join this course. So let's start. Chris Argyris. Yes. So Chris Argyris, as you all know, he is one of the intro. It can be asked as a 20-mark question. Chris Argyris, one of the important or prominent behavioral theorists. He is influenced from Chester Bernard, who is known as first behavioralist. He is influenced from Chester Bernard, who is known as first behavioralist. Simple thing. And Argyris reject classical mechanical approach of organization. Reject classical mechanical approach, and he focus on sociological dimension in organization. Reject mechanical approach, socio-psychological approach, and his main focus is sound management in organization. Importance of role of a manager. Importance of role of manager being studied by Chris Argyris, where he said the manager should play an important role in order to understand the mindset of employee. The mindset of employee, what employee think, and he should do according to that, and he should fulfill wish of whom? Worker. And as usual, you write his publication, one book written by Chris Argyris, that is Personality and Organization. This is this comes in the intro. After that we write the body. In the body we should focus that Argyris 4 aspects of organization. If you remember this, answer is done. 4 aspects of organization. The first aspect is maturity paradigm. So simple thing, what happened? The classical theorist understand it. The classical theorists consider employees immature. They cannot do their own work. They are always dependent upon the superior, and they are always underperforming. This was being rejected by Argyris. Argyris say no, the employee are mature, they can do their own work, they can achieve the organizational goal along with their individual goal. They are not always dependent, they are independent, they are mature, they are innovative. This is. So reject classical immaturity concept. Second, interpersonal competence. Okay, what is interpersonal competence? Listen, suppose a employee and a employee manager. So employee manager. He said there should be mutual trust and confidence between employees and mutual and trust and confidence between employee and employee manager. So when there is mutual trust, confidence, they have confidence, trust over each other. That leads to increase of interpersonal competence. So it results into a we feeling, group behavior, we feeling group behavior. So this is interpersonal competence. We feeling group behavior developed due to this. And when interpersonal competence developed, when they have confidence over each other, suppose one employee cannot do a work, he can easily depend upon other employee. So Argyris say in a classical organization this interpersonal competence is low, but this interpersonal competence is high in a behavioral organization. Okay, his next idea is, this is second idea. His third idea is idea of value system. He said there are two type of organization or two type of theory. Theory 1, bureaucratic pyramidal system. It is typically that classical approach, classical organization, bureaucratic pyramidal value system, classical organization, theory X manager, job center. Theory second, democratic participative value system. Democratic participative value system, here it is behavioral organization, theory Y, employee center manager. And Argyris say theory 2 will be successful than theory 1. Clear? And his fourth idea is fusion process. What is fusion process? He say it is combination of socialization process plus personalization process. So what is this? Socialization process focus on organizational goal. Personalization process focus on individual goal. So individual goal is giving more importance than organizational goal in personalization process. So if we have only personalization process, if we focus only on our goal, organization will not become successful. If we only focus on socialization goal, individual feel dissatisfied. So this is combination of socialization, personalization, fusion process. Okay, and again he said there are some strategy to achieve fusion process. What are those strategy? First is matrix organization. Matrix organization is a organization where self-discipline, employee and employer are they themselves make discipline with each other. So self-discipline. So in a self-discipline organization, we can achieve fusion process. Second, T group or sensitivity training. Yes, it is a new type of training. Lewin discovered this. Discovered by Lewin, promoted by Chris Argyris. What happened in T group or sensitivity training? The worker are sensitized towards the need, problem, aspiration of other. Maybe customer, maybe citizen or other group employee. So it will help achieving fusion process. LBS and AA, Missouri. The IS, when you become join Indian Administrative Service, you will be given T group or sensitivity training. Second is double loop learning. Double loop learning. This is observation. You learn by observation. Next is job enlargement. Horizontal growth. Job enlargement. Job enlargement was rejected by Hosberg, who gave the concept of job enrichment, which is vertical growth. It is horizontal growth. You will be given more different type of work. Job enlargement. And fifth, participative leadership style. It is promoted by Mayo also. Mayo also promoted this participative leadership. So employee employer both should participate in decision making in organization, and it was promoted by DPSP also. So this is the 4 idea fusion process, how to achieve fusion process. After that you write criticism and contemporary approach. Or present relevance. So in criticism, what happened? The situational groups. The situational theorists said that organization where employees are less educated, less skilled, for example construction sector, factory, assembly line production, here the idea, and those people are not mature, they are tend to be immature. So considering themselves mature will be wrong. So the concept of maturity, immaturity paradigm, interpersonal competence will be fail here. and theory 1 will be successful, and we cannot achieve fusion process. This is the criticism of Argyris. So only in organization where employees are skilled, educated, they only understand all these things. So that we read in contemporary approach,